Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today we're taking you around this brand new vehicle which we've just had delivered into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A1 Sportback Sport with the 30 TFSI engine and the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular model is finished in the arrow grey pearlescent paintwork and it looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 1 litre turbo petrol engine you get 114 brake horsepower with 200 Nm of torque, which gets you from 0 to 60 in around 9.7 seconds. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all 4 corners these 16-inch 10-spoke turbine design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork. With the boot lid open you get 335 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials with the little luggage net there to hold things down, and with the rear seats folded you get 1090 litres, perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in twin cloth with geometric patterns in the centre for maximum comfort, and both outer seats feature the Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and manual air conditioning. Both front seats are slightly sporty with the side bolsters there to hold you in place, and they are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is interchangeable using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel, and on the right is your volume and voice controls for those mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply Bluetooth connectivity and all of your car's settings, including the driver assist and the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. With the manual air conditioning you have full control of the direction, speed and temperature for yours and your passengers' maximum comfort. If you'd like a look at this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.